Alrighty, welcome to Teach You Academy. This is for educational purpose only, and our topic today is how to write a book. Step one: decide what you want to write about. Just ask yourself, what message or story do I want to share? Choose a topic or theme that you're passionate or knowledgeable about. Define your book's purpose and audience. Is your book meant to entertain, inform, inspire, or teach? Identify your target reader. Knowing who they are will shape how you write. Step 3: create an outline. List your chapters or key sections. Think of it like a roadmap that gives your book structure. Fiction: outline the plot, characters, and screens. Nonfiction: break down topics logically. Step 4: set a writing schedule. Set small, consistent goals. Use tools like calendars or word trackers to stay on track. Write the first draft. Don't aim for perfection, just write. Expect your first draft to be messy, that's normal. Step 6: revise and edit. Edit. Review for flow and clarity, grammar and spelling, structure and consistency. You may go through multiple drafts before it's right. Get feedback. Share your manuscript with trusted friends, beta readers, writing groups. Consider hiring a professional editor. Step 8: prepare for publishing. Decide between self publishing, traditional publishing. And there are some examples of some publishing companies you can go through. Design and format your book. This includes cover design, page layout, font, and formatting. You got tools like Canva, Adobe InDesign, Archicus, and Vellum. Step 6, publish and promote. Upload to publishing platforms. Create a marketing plan, social media, email lists, book launch events, author websites. Summary: decide what you want to write about, define your book's purpose and audience, create an outline, set a writing schedule, write the first draft, revise and edit, get feedback, prepare for publishing, design and format your book, publish and format. I mean, publish and promote. Y'all have a good day. This is Teach You Academy signing out, and this is for educational purpose only.